a 2023 Porsche, a wet dog smell. Already started the process of eliminating the odor. As you can come closer, you can see the cabin is starting to fill up with fog. It's doing its job nicely. Again, this is a Porsche, 2023 Porsche. It's selling for $100,000, and it has a wet dog smell. I have no idea how that wet dog smell got in there, but as you can see, the system was working beautiful. As you can see, there's two others that I have to do. Another one is a 2021 and one is a 2022, I believe. I'm sorry, 20. Beautiful cars. I'm at the Porsche in Fort Myers. As you can see, the cabin is starting to fill up with the fog. Our dry vapor system. It penetrates through all the nook and crannies, eliminates all odors, and also sanitizes and disinfects the vehicle. Okay, we'll see you later. Thank you.